I'll share with you 3 beginners calisthenics skills that always got me attention. These skills always left people amazed and they were wondering how to defy gravity. Even a beginner can shine with these skills as long as he is willing to add a bit more to its fitness grind. Let's get into it. The first one, the frog stance. In calisthenics, it's like doing yoga while impersonating a frog. You start on all fours with your hands and feet on the ground and then you hop only on your 2 hands while maintaining balance. The reason this skill is remarkable is because it deserves a little bit of time to really be stable. This will also strengthen your shoulders, your wrists, and your core. Not everybody can hold balance in the frog stance. That's what makes it special. The second skill is called the elbow lever. This one is a little bit harder and will test your will and discipline. It is still simple, but it deserves way more time and effort to learn. With that in mind, it's even more satisfying when you nail it. There is almost no way a total stranger can achieve this on his first few tries. Plus, when you see someone doing it, it looks impossible and there's a lot of technique to it. The third skill is the L-sit. The L-sit in calisthenics is like trying to sit on an invisible chair while your legs are suspended in the air. I would argue that it's less hard or similar to the elbow lever, but it requires less technique and more strength from the core and the upper body. The L-sit is my favorite. I know it's hard on the floor, but once you get a grip with the handle, it's even easier. The grip can be dumbbells, it can be a kitchen chair, it can be a kitchen counter, etc, etc. So, whether you're at the gym or just hanging out with friends or really anywhere, these tricks will make sure to turn heads and make you feel empowered, capable, and confident. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss tutorials on all 3 of these calisthenics skills. But for now, sun's out, guns out, peace out!